right, this is a tutorial on how to figure out the measurement and data portion of our Math Chat 30. So if you look right here, we have a line plot, and what these X's represent is, let's see here, I have 1/4. It's kind of hard to see. Let me zoom in a little bit more. See, here I have 1/4, and I have two X's on top of the 1/4. That means there's two data collections of 1/4. That means there's two 1/4s. Over here for 3/4, this means I have two 3/4. I have 1 1/2. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1 1/4, 3 1 1/2, and 2 1 3/4, and 2 2/2. So what we need to do is we need to identify the total amount of time spent outside by all children. So we need to add all of these up, but we're not just going to be adding the numbers with X's over top of them. We have to add that number for how many X's there are. So I'm going to get you guys started, and I'm going to go on my whiteboard real quick here, and I will give you a little bit of a head start. So here I have two 1/4s. I know that 1/4 plus 1/4 is going to give me either 2/4 or it's going to be 1/2, okay? That's for the first data collection. Now I have two 3/4, okay? So I have 3/4 plus 3/4, and that is going to be 6/4, or that is going to be 1 2/4, or 1 1/2, okay? All equivalent. Going back, I have 1 1/2, so I'm going to add, let me grab this, I'm kind of writing a little big here. I'm going to write down 1/2 because there's nothing added to that. There's just 1 1/2, okay? Now I have 1 2 3 4 1 1/4. So I'm going to do 1 1/4 plus 1 1/4 plus 1 1/4 plus 1 1/4. Oops, sorry guys, it's kind of messy there. Did I say it was 4? Let me double check. 1 2 3 4. Yes. So I have 1 2 3 4 holes. Okay. And then I have 1 2 3 4/4. So I have 4 4/4, which is the exact same as saying 5 holes. So right now I have 1/2. I have 1 1/2. I have 1. I have 5. Okay. I also have 3 1 1/2. Okay. So I'm going to do, oh, I can make this smaller. Oh, I didn't know that. That's super cool. Okay. I have 3 1 1/2. So I'm going to do, or 1 1/2 plus 1 1/2 plus 1 1/2 equals 3 3/2. And that is the same as 4 1/2. Okay, because 3/2 is equal to 1 whole with 1 left over, so I have 4 1/2. Now I have 2 1 3/4. So I'm going to do 1 3/4 plus 1 3/4. That's going to be 2 wholes and 6/4. Okay. Well, that's also equivalent to 3 2/4. Okay. Or 3 1/2. Okay. And I think I have 1 left. Yes, I have 2 2/2, and 2 2/2 is just 4 because 2 plus 2 is going to be 4. So I have equals 4. So now what I need to do is I need to add up all of my sums. So I need to add up 1/2 to 1 1/2 to 1 whole to 5 to 4.5 to 3.5 to 4. So I'm going to add up all of those numbers, and I'll even write them up here for you guys so you can see them. I have 1/2 plus 1.5 plus 1 plus 5 plus 4.5 plus 3.5 plus 4. Okay, so you are going to need to want to add up all of those numbers, and that's going to tell you how many or how much time the children spent outside. So an x equals 1 child. Okay, all right, good luck, take care, and that's it.